Hey everyone! Welcome back to Codex Tips.
Variables, x equals 1, x equals x plus 2. What is it going to print out? X equals 3. Strings, x, y. Take a guess what x plus y is going to be. There it is. Take a guess what z is going to be now. We're taking a slice. It looks like that. Functions. We define this function here. Take f of 5. Guess what it's going to be. It's 7, because we added 2 to 5. If statements. X is going to be equal to 2. If x plus 1 equals 3, print x. Is this going to be true? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, this was true, so it did print x. If you put this equals 4, it doesn't print it because it's false. Loops. For I in range 1 to 100, this is a fancy way of saying if I is even. So what is this going to print out? Take a guess. Prints out the even numbers.